What's going on, fellas? It's Mark. Behind me is a 2012 F-350 King Ranch. Gorgeous truck, 350. Check it out. A lot of people get confused. These trucks start off in the factory as a Lariat and then get the whole King Ranch package buckled on there. Just like the LX Mustangs with the Celine, they turn into Celines. Long story short, who cares? On with the video. Guys, this is a 2012 F-350. There it is, right there. There it is. King Ranch! And I'm going to show you the interior in just a second. We got to hurry up because we're racing against the sun. The sun that's gone already. Come on this side so you can get a good glimpse at it. Actually, come right here so the sun's aiming whatever's left there. These are a MOTO metal 22 by 12. I think they're the Razors. MOTO metal Razor. They're a two-piece wheel. Absolutely gorgeous wheel. Chrome center, black barrel, machined on the outside. And these are rolling and really thick. And these are brand new too. We just put these on here. These are a brand new Mickey Thompson 35 1250 22 inch BAJA Boss. And they're an amazing tire. Talk about aggressive tire. The sidewalls are super thick. It's just a massive footprint. It really is, and it looks tough as hell. We got about a 95% clearance ready lift leveling kit right here, and this is a 2.5 inch. I want to say it's a, no, I'm sorry, 2 inch. This is a 2 inch ready lift leveling kit with Bilstein 5100, I think. Bilstein shocks all four corners. Bone stock as far as like the truck goes, internals, bolt-ons, whatever, none of that. Bone stock exhaust and everything. Like I said, 95% turn truck. It does rub a little bit, but we trimmed out. We didn't touch the valance actually. We just trimmed out the insides right here. A lot of the times the brackets on the inside of the F-250s and 350s series, those will rub in the corners. But what the best part about this truck, like I said, let's check out the inside, King Ranch. So the best part about this truck is what it is. It's a King Ranch. Absolutely gorgeous logos engraved or stamped King Ranch. I love the way the seats rest to where you can do that. It's got a backup camera, heated seats, cooled seats, navigation, 124,347,000 miles on it. Always well maintained. We put brand new fuel filters in here, fresh oil change, checked out all the joints, made sure they're good, and it passed inspection with flying colors. So it really did well. Truck was really maintained too by the previous guy. Awesome dude, by the way. Interior is super clean. Just to show you guys a little secret about these trucks. Check this out. Most of you probably didn't know this. Secret compartment. It's like a bonus round when you go to like play Nintendo as a kid. Bonus round. Ready? I'm gonna go show you guys the cheat codes to this bonus round. Ready? Bet you didn't know that.
I didn't even know that.
No one didn't even know that. And you can keep whatever the hell you want in there. I mean, look. Watch this. See this? Hide that. You can hide your paraphernalia. Hide your drugs or whatever you guys are into. I don't care. Just don't tell me and don't tell the cops. Keep the FBI out of this one also too. Don't tell your mom. I told you. But no, I'm just kidding, guys. That's a secret compartment. I learned about it because I'm OCD as hell. I was cleaning one day. My truck, I was cleaning before I went to Hatfield McCoy to go riding with my side-by-side. I'm like, what the hell is this? Pulled it out, Windexed it. Water dripped right down somewhere. I dug and there it was. Remote start. Factory key fob. Oh, we gotta go.
10% battery.
Ooh, 10% battery. We gotta hurry up, partner. The back seats are the same way. They're really nice. Let me show you guys. And this is a long bed too. So the cool part about this, watch this, is the it's got the King Ranch factory mats in it and stuff like that. It's all really elaborate as far as the color of the interior goes and everything else. It's a long bed. And the coolest part about here, wood grain everywhere, nice leather, and these steps. Look at these steps, factory steps right here. You'll really appreciate it at nighttime when you're getting out of this truck. I like it. I love this truck. It's not too extreme. It's not too wimpy. It's just right, and I love it. I really do. Electric folding mirrors. And that's all I have to say about the war in Vietnam. So hope you guys like the video. This is Mark signing out. We got to get some pictures done. I'm going to take off. See you guys later. Peace out.